or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And to all my returning subbies, thank you so much for always coming back. Welcome to yet another vlog. Today is on Monday. It's a brand new week, a brand new vlog. Last week we didn't have a vlog and I apologize. Please forgive me. So this week I'm going to try as much as possible to vlog for the whole week and also edit it and post it on time. So right now it's around 4. I want to prepare something to eat. I feel hungry. I was undoing Nilsa's hair and then I've been cleaning the house. So yeah, let me prepare something to eat. Right.
I think that this the only way you gon' open up to me. Don't talk too much to me. Cause this is how this goes. I know it. Take one drink tonight and everything just feels right. And if it ain't right, it's alright tonight. I got some leisure, is your thing? You throw in the morning. Nobody's calling you. You just said that's all. Leave the room like you always do. I never needed you. I just want you. Wanted you to love me, but trust me, but nothing about me. Just put your heart in my hands, yeah. Let me make all the plans, make all the plans. Let me make all the plans tonight. So yeah. Guess it's me that you want, Guess it's me that you want tonight. Let me just be open tonight. I know tomorrow we won't. Hope you remember last time September. Say you want to lose us, but right now you won't quit. You wanna be in all of them. Don't remember that, and I don't remember. Your mind's up, so reverse, yeah. Guess it's me that you want, Guess me that you want tonight. Your mind's up, so reverse, oh yeah. Guess it's me that you want.
Hi lovelies, today is on Tuesday. We have had blackout since morning, so I have not vlogged anything today. Our day was so chilled. My phone is dying, eco 5%. Lights went off around Saturday 9. Right now it's around 2 and you might think it's actually 5. It's raining heavily. I've already picked what we are going to be cooking today. So I'm thinking of cooking and then I sleep till tomorrow, inshallah. So we will meet tomorrow, God willing, and I hope that you guys are actually having a nice day and a nice week so far. So yeah, Nilsa, say hi. Nakwambia useme hi. Mimi usianze kuongea Chinese. Sema hi guys.
Okay.
Hey, well. Good girl. Okay guys, we'll talk tomorrow. Alright, lala hivyo. Good job. Hi loves, today is on Wednesday. I have had a chill day, honestly. So washed Nilsa's hair and then I went out. I want to show you this cute pair of shoes that I got, of slides. I got these white slides. Honestly, I have never owned white slides. So saw this and I was like, you know what, I'm getting them. Najua si Zara ni Zana. But it's okay. It's okay. Nani ananisoma miguu. Yeah. They look so cute. Hi lovelies, today is on Thursday. I have had such a busy day. I woke up very early. Nimefua my duvets. I have I have done Nilsa's hair halfway because we are doing braids. Hey, na feel tu nimechoka. So right now it's around 1. We want to have lunch. I also wanted to show you this dye that I usually use for tinting my brows. I want to get the brown one because this one inafanyanga ikuwe darker, but I'm still going to use it paka ishe. But my eyebrows sijui kama zimemea enough cause nilikuwa nimezitrim nikazitrim vibaya, so they look a bit off, but yeah, that's what we are doing today. I hope you guys are enjoyed the vlog so far, but soon nikipost nikifanya eyebrows in this vlog, maybe in the next vlog. Yeah, don't mind this. Junior nini just say periods. I've already received my periods like a week or two, so